how to fix PayPal payment pending on Philippines. If you want to fix a pending payment on Philippines, there should be various reasons for this. First of all, open up PayPal and make sure to log into your account. And simply go ahead and select and go to that transaction which is marked as pending. So go to payments and go to that transaction. First of all, you can accept that particular transaction to add the funds to your PayPal balance, or you can decline it to refund the payment to the customer. If the payment is for a product or service, you can add the tracking number or order status here to help release the payment faster. Now, if it is for the sender, right, if you sent a pending payment for someone, you simply have to wait for action from that person. You can also try to contact the recipient. Otherwise, if the recipient doesn't take any action within 30 days, the payment will be automatically cancelled. And this is hopefully how you can solve the pending payment problem on PayPal and why it is occurring. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.